Today I'm just doing a simple unboxing video, nothing very special. I just got this and clamp meter here, and just wanted to, well, I've seen these unboxing videos, so I thought I might try one. Simple as that. Not too hard to open that. I got this earlier today. Haven't had a chance to see it myself, so you are with me on the unboxing. It's not a fake unboxing and nothing fake surprising. So okay, that's how it looks. And I did buy this after I watched a lot of videos on this on YouTube, so one of which I actually missed, and I'm really sad I missed it before I bought it, but I did do a lot of research and so on, because there are a lot of different types. The E is the only one measuring down to milliamps, or was it? Yeah, I think milliamps, and DC current. And DC current is not something that a lot of meters do. These clamp meters, that is. So yeah, there are the UNI-T. Those I've seen before, so that's nothing new to me with the plugs in there. I don't know what you should use the plugs for actually. Well, anyway, let's get into this. Oh, this is something that other unboxing videos didn't really have in it. And that in those videos it came with the batteries in the thing. In the meter, not outside the meter. That's interesting. Oh, little got that taped up there, and that's interesting because why is it different for me? Nothing. No batteries in it already. So just these are lead batteries. Lead. What kind of lead? Huh. There you go. That's really interesting, because earlier I took a look in my pen detector, also from UNI-T, the UNI-T brand, and it had what was it? Nickel cadmium batteries, so it's not the same batteries. That's interesting. Well, I've as I said, I've watched some reviews on this, and it seemed really good. And well, previously I haven't had the need for one of these clamps, because well, I did a lot of other tests and got by doing those, and so I didn't really have to think about needing an amp clamp. But it seems really useful. The only problem with this that I see for coming is that it doesn't have a minimum or maximum reading. It only has hold. Well, you can't have it all. And this one was not too badly. It's not too badly expensive. So, well. Gonna have to do this a two-part video, because because I don't like editing really, so and because I have to get a screwdriver for that, and well, you shouldn't have to sit through me waiting for me to get a screwdriver. That is really interesting. And why does it have exposed metal there and not there? So it isn't contact. It isn't any contact that needs to be, because I have seen a teardown of this, and it's not an inductance meter. So it should be a Hall effect sensor meter, and that's apparently it's harder to make those, and that's why this one is a little more expensive than the cheapest ones, because of well, the Hall effect sensor and being able then to do DC current. Very interesting. As I said, I watched a lot of reviews. One I missed, and the one I sadly missed is Steve Robb. Steve Robb, he made a kind of a review on this, a quite good one, but I watched a lot of other ones. I wonder why YouTube don't give you the people that you are subscribed to when you search for something and they have it. Why? Because I just searched for the UT210E, no, 210E, and well, I didn't get that video. I believe it was on the third or fourth page or something like that. Really, but I had already ordered it. Since that. Steve Robb, really good channel.